Sabi dito, the reality, job boards are noisier than due to AI-generated application. So most of you, sino pa dito hindi nakakaalam ng AI? Is that your resume is AI ready na ba? Narinig niyo na ba yung ATS? Most of the big hiring, I think, recruitment agency is already using AI. Meaning, if you don't know how to, that's why may called ATS. Pag yung resume nyo dumaan sa ATS nila, may mga platform sila or application, nakihit na agad nila doon kung sino yung fit doon sa skills. So sometimes your resume, no need sa maraming wording. They just need some keywords like your skills. For example, some application regarding QBO, organizational skills, or something software that are using. So pag na-hit nyo yung mga keywords lang na yon, ang client mismo ang lalapit sa inyo para ang tawag dito para i-reach out kayo. So you have to be informed and research about how AI is working on in a HR point of view. Baka kala nyo kasi yung old system pa rin, di ba? So although our company as an agency owner, we still do the manual or the old school that we just randomly seeing the resume based on the two-pager resume. Pero may tinitingnan na kami specific skills doon sa resume nyo. Clear ba yon? So yeah. Although sabi dito, companies are moving away from keyword matching to value-based hiring. So yes, may mga time din naman na may wala ng matching, pero value-based hiring meaning doon kayo nakikita, mamaya i-discuss ko ano yung value-based hiring. So it will also reflect on your LinkedIn profile. Malalaman nyo dito. So ayan. Ayan. So sabi nga dito, don't just show you can do the job. Show you can solve the business problem. So if I were you, if you're an accountant or any niche, kung sino man po dito ang hindi accounting, if you can search also in Google and Gemini, each industry kung ano yung mga pain points nila and you know how to solve each problem, definitely you can land a job. Tama ba? So for accountant, ang most sinusolve namin yung problem is tax compliance. Even sa Pilipinas, even sa US, ang bottom line lang naman ng problem lahat ng business owners is compliance. If you know how to create solutions on that problem, which I think some of my mentees are here, I told them, ano ba yung pag-solve ng tax problem, which is basically creating financial statement. Ano yung process sa pag-create ng financial statement? Bookkeeping. Tama ba? So if you know how to solve those problems, sometimes the client needs the process, not your skills, just the basic process on how you will bring them to point A to point B. So that's my take on that. So building your digital authority, as I've said, that's why kung napapalo niyo na ako sa LinkedIn, when I checked my 2 years ago, 21,000 lang yung connection ko sa LinkedIn. Now, 47, turning 48. So in a span of 2 years, nag-grow na siya every years ng, siguro naman nag-100 kasi every 2 years, so 10,000 per year. So this is sure, sabi dito, so wag nyo masyadong minamata si LinkedIn, kala nyo mga Inglesera lang yun nandun. Inglesera halata. Actually, LinkedIn is one of your resume na. It's a live resume. Doon agad kayo titingnan. So let's make an example para maniwala kayo. For those of you, punta kayo sa Google. Hanapin nyo lang yung pangalan nyo. Kung ano unang lalabas sa Google. Hindi ang spelling ko. Siyempre, di ba? Pag hinanap niyo yung pangalan ko, unang lalabas lang, LinkedIn lang agad. Tama ba? So if you're applying for a job and you don't have a LinkedIn, the tendency, hindi ka talaga makikita. Agree ba kayo? Pa-type 1. Dito pa lang, dito na kayo titingnan kahit wala kayo resume. So dito pa lang titingnan yung mga ginagawa nyo. Sometimes, I'm also teaching my mentees na mag-create ng post sa LinkedIn kasi dito nila makikita if you also have an activities. Kung tao ba talaga kayo. Lumilipad, may kamay. So pag nakita ng client na may LinkedIn pero wala kayong any activities, medyo doubtful sila. Tama, any share lang doon. Soon, meron pa tayong mga ever discussion mas deeper at understanding how LinkedIn works. But basically yan, sa profile nyo pa lang sa LinkedIn, sinasolve nyo na yung problem. Again, just to give you an idea, kakabago ko lang ng profile ko sa LinkedIn, I think last year. Binago ko siya through AI na din. Pero ang gusto ko kasing makuhang market is yung community and then the business owner. So I'm the one connecting the business owners through Filipino talent. So sample na lang, I'll just give you ito live na. Naka-record ba to? So through LinkedIn, I get some client. This one, for good example. So I get a cold email, I get a message, I draft through AI, and then basically may nakuha naman tayong lead. So ayan, tinatanong ilang clients, ano daw kami mag-call. So definitely, LinkedIn, if you don't have a LinkedIn, you miss half of your career. Ganun talaga, half of your career talaga. Agree ba kayo doon? Sino dito walang LinkedIn? So if I were you, connect on LinkedIn. And syempre, like na rin yung freely later, makikita nyo yan sa mga posts ko, nakatag yan, yung mga connected organization natin. Okay? Are we good? Masyadong, medyo excited akong share yung LinkedIn kasi dito ko talaga na-build yung authority ko sa LinkedIn. That's why I met Jem. Di ba, Jem? Am I right? So, ayan, isa na si Jem sa nabudol Nielsen yan, charot. Diyan kami nagkakalala ni Jem. And this is something I really excited to share always. And then, of course, ayan, ito rin yung pinakagusto ko siguro sa mga susunod na araw, sa mga February, I can teach on how to create content. Ito talaga, content is the king. And of course, social proof. So, for example, ngayon, etong top 40, di ba? So, kaka-post lang. So, yun, top 40 Filipino on LinkedIn, top 100 Filipinos on LinkedIn. Let's face it, ang mga Pilipino kasi judgmental or even other countries is judgmental. Tama ba? Kayo ba, pag may nakita kayong award, anong una niyong iisipin? Hindi pala nakikita yung skin ko sa LinkedIn, salita ako ng salita. Hindi niyo pala nakita yung sample ko kanina. But, tama ba? Kapag may nakita kayong any awards, anong una niyong iisipin is magaling yung taong yun, di ba? So, ano na yun tinuro to sa akin sa sales, sabi ng head ko, pilitin mong magkaroon ng award. Whatever it takes, gawin mo kung paano mo siya gagawin, bahala ka, but make sure you will have an award. Kasi dito, ang tao, mapaano talaga, napaka-diretso nilang mag-isip. So if you get this one, and then the batch of top 100, if you see this, magkakaroon agad kayo ng authority and credibility. Tama ba? So yan, pilitin nyo magkaroon sa mga susunod na, kung nandito kayo sa community ng Philly, I can teach you on how to become top 100 Filipinos on LinkedIn. Kasi I did it to my mentees way back last year. Naging top 24 pa siya, ako top 90. Tinuro ko lang yung strategy ko. Syempre, nabago na dito niya. Kasi ginawa niya yung ginawa ko. Wala namang nagsasabi na hindi mo pwedeng gawin maging top 100. At hindi ko kayo nililimitahang maging top 100. Mas maganda yon kasi makikita nyo doon yung madadala sa inyo ng top 100. Okay ba? So for those na nandito, I can promise that I can teach you how to become top 100 kasi I already did it to my mentee. So we can replicate that one. Sino excited doon? Sa mga susunod, so lagi lang kayong tambay sa Discord. Nasaan ba kayo? Andiyan na yung Discord community. Andun din naman tayo sa community. Masipag ako mag-send ng mga invite. All you have to do is show up every week. I think Tuesday, Wednesday palagi na sa kalendaryo nyo. I commit myself to show up every week to you. Okay? Ayan, marami-rami pa. But basically, magkakaroon naman kayo ng copy nito. So, you can use, and as a guide, ito talaga yung magiging guide nyo on how to be competitive. Ako dito pa lang sa LinkedIn, magiging competitive na kayo if you use LinkedIn on the right way. Okay? Creating content, social proof, whatever. And then sabi dito, AI Edge. Sorry kung medyo mabilis ako kasi time-bound ako, 30 minutes lang daw. Okay lang naman. Mag-ano tayo ng konti. But ayan, basically the AI Edge, the meet AI will replace you. Sabi dito, hindi naman tayo mapapalitan ng AI. Ang kailangan lang natin maka-adapt. Ang laki ng natulong ng AI, promise, lalo for sure sa mga nag-SMM or kahit ako sa content writing, lahat naman ng sinasabi ko sa LinkedIn. AI lang yun, hindi naman ako magaling mag-English share, halata. Tinatype ko yung thought ko, yung content ko sa isip ko, kinokorek na ni AI yung grammar ko doon. So that's the good thing about AI. Before 2021, when I'm doing freelancing, wala namang AI pa noon. I think like AI 2022, 2023. Tama ba? Ganun year na talaga siya nag-launch. So kapag hindi nyo alam yung mga AI tools like Google, Gemini, I think meron na akong, ito pa, ano ba to? Prexility ba yan? Ano ba tawag doon? Basta yun, may letter P na, basta yun. May isa pang account akong ginagamit kasi hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. Pero maganda siya. Okay, so next is Ayan, AI. So, lalo siguro applicable to sa mga SMM. Pero sa mga accounting, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng AI. For example, may tinatanong si client during meeting AI and then you just have to tweak. Mabilis lang dapat yung kamay nyo. And if you're not sure, sabihin nyo kay client, I'll get back to you. Pero deep inside, gumagamit talaga kayo ng AI. Grabe si AI, nakakagawa ng content, nakakagawa siya ng process. Lahat ako dito ako nakadependent. Even proposal, pricing, lahat. I can teach on how to do business proposal. Nakagawa ka ng business proposal. Business plan agad using the co-working space, using AI lang. And approve na yun ng board. Ganun kadali ang buhay natin. So, isasama ko rin, baka March na. Tama ba? Pakinote na lang po, Miss Jem or anyone from 3D. From February, more on LinkedIn, marketing, and then sa mga bandang March, mga AI, business plan, proposal sa accounting or any niche that you want, I can teach on how to create a cover letter proposal para meron tayong series of events na continuous. Okay? Again, that's my commitment to you as promised. Yan. And of course, dito, niche, ito napaka-importante. I think natuturo ko dito sa mga mentees ko. Importante mag-niche down kasi minsan, for example, may nagpapahanap sa akin tax preparer, US tax preparer. Hiring ko ako ng US tax preparer, AU, tsaka isang real estate na marunong sa Resman. So let's say, real estate bookkeeper. Diba? So kapag meron kayo sa LinkedIn nyo yan, madaling makita dito. So yan, hindi ko lang sana connect, pero lalabas dito yung mga related sa ganung niche, even tax preparer. So sa LinkedIn nyo, you can ask also AI how you can, hindi pa na nasi-share yung yung LinkedIn. Pero ganun siya nag-work. Pwede kayong mag-search, makahanap nyo agad yung mga tao sa LinkedIn. Okay, case study, use your experience to show how specialization leads to higher demand and better pay. So, kasama yan. Tapos, pwede nyo ilagay doon yung mga certification nyo. And if I were you guys, kung may mga client kayo before, eto lately ko lang itong ginawa, ako willing akong gawin sa inyo sa mga nandito, especially sa mentees nyo. Alam nyo gagawin nyo? I-share akong stop sharing ko. That you can do sa lahat ng client or sa akin, sabihin nyo lang ako, I can create a recommendation, especially pag kilala ko talaga kayo, lalo yung mga mentees ko. This one, inas ko lahat yung mga nakatrabaho ko, naging mentees ko, hiningan ko sila dito. So kasi minsan nagbabasa yung mga tao kung if you have a good feedback. So dito, client ko, mga nakatrabaho ko, mentees ko. So, nandyan siya. Para kayo, anyway, again, titingnan kasi dito lahat yung profile niya, tama ba? So, magkakaroon kayo additional bonus point na mga certification. Yes, ilagay nyo lang yan. Courses management. Yan. Ilagay nyo yung schools, whatever, kung ano man yung position nyo dito. Okay? That's the thing also I can suggest. If you have client, wag nyo munang awayin si client, manghingi na kayo ng feedback. Tapos pag galit na kayo, tsaka mo siya iwan. Ganon ang technique doon. Tama ba? Ang salbahin ng suggestion ko, di ba? Oo, pagpakabait mo na kayo mga 2 weeks, tapos, yung feedback, tapos layasan nyo siya, charot. Yan, okay. Pero totoo yan, maganda yung recommendation. Of course, the hidden job market. Ay, eto, maganda tong sinabi dito. Totoo to, lahat ng nandito, 85 rule, most high-level jobs are never posted. Kasi nga, minsan tamad din yung mga business owner. Nagmamasid lang yan sa LinkedIn. Alam niyo ba yun? Nanonood lang sila eh, para siyang show, para siyang para siyang YouTube. Karen Davila, nanonood lang yan, mga Kong TV, mga ganyan, Smallwood. Pero deep inside, nahala tayo mga pinapanood ko, si Alex, si Zainab, yan. Yung mga si V, yan, yung mga content nila yung pinapanood ko, yun yung nagpapasaya sa atin. So, meaning, nanonood lang tayo, pero deep inside, nag-observe tayo. Same with the business owners. Kala nyo lang wala, pero meron. Okay, kasi lahat ng ibang client ko din dyan, bigla, yan, si Jen, nanonood lang pala siya sa akin. Diba? Napansin tayo, kasi papansin tayo. So, ang key talaga dyan, kung hindi ka magpapakita, hindi ka nila mahahanap. Correct? Kahit gaano ka kagaling, visibility versus ability. Ako yun yung mantra ko eh. So yun yung kahit maingay ako, may purpose yung pagiging maingay ko, pagiging noisy ko. Okay? So leverage your professional group. Again, pwede bang ipasama din to sa aking assignment? Anong month na? March, April? O gusto nyo unahin natin February, building community kasi nasa freely tayo. Pwede bang i-reverse natin, Jem? How to build your own community kasi dito talaga nagkakaroon ng client. Ito talaga, proven and tested coming from me na nag-start lang sa 50 members, ngayon 23 members na accounting people and connection. So, pag nakabuild ka ng community, wala ditong limitation anong gusto mong gawing community. Mag-start ka sa maliliit, eventually lalaki yung community mo. Eventually, doon nanggagaling yung needs of clients mo. Tama ba? Kasi yun naman yung gusto natin. And that's why we have a freely and Sneak, yun din yung pinaka-core natin, creating a community na nakakagawa ka ng client base. Okay? Sige, isa rin yan ang pinaka pala dapat kong assignment, building community. Kasi dyan, na perfect na natin yan kung paano siya gagawin. And even I can teach you on how you will do it on your own way. At least once a week training, turo-turo kayo, creating values, YouTube channel, pages, LinkedIn pages. Okay? Clear ba tayo guys so far? Medyo mabilis ba ako? We're 38 and counting. Sana mas marami pa tayo. So, sa mga hindi naka-show ang face, clear ba tayo? Pa-type 1 if you're watching and agree sa mga sinasabi ko. Pa-type naman ng 1. Okay, are you getting value ba so far? So, iba baka na ulit ko na pero sometimes may mga random thoughts akong sinishare. So, please take note of that. Pero share ko naman tong link na to para ilagay nyo sa rep nyo, pakiprint, lagay sa rep. Daanan nyo araw-araw. Ay, minimiss ako. Sabi ni Miss yan. Ganyan. Okay? Next is, strategic networking. Sometimes maganda rin to, pero lately wala lang ako mga networking, pero nakakatulong din yung networking event. Ito, part of networking to. Kahit online tayo, it's a part of networking. Kaya gusto ko nakikita yung mga mukha nyo kasi mas na madali ko matandaan pag nakikita ko yung mukha and then the name. Okay? So, isa yan sa way, show up sa community and nagko-comment. Yung laging nagko-comment, bida-bida yan. Gusto natin bida-bida para matatandaan natin. Okay? Soft skills. Sabi dito, yan. Ito yung mga normally nakikita natin sa resume na hindi natin na-add. Especially the critical thinking. So, kahit accountant tayo, hindi lang tayo basta numbers. We're more on strategic approach and advisory. Ito pala yung word ko, guys. Pilitin nyo maging advisory someday, lalo pag accountant kayo. Kasi baka puro accountant. Hindi lang kayo basta bookkeeper. You're doing such consultancy and advisory services. Naaaral din siya. Don't worry. May nagtanong sa akin, minsan nagtuturo ka ba ng CFO role? Hindi din. Hindi ko rin alam paano, pero based on experience, hindi siya, it's a mix of experience and actual learnings, hands-on experience. But I can teach you on how, especially sa mga 20s pa lang. So, pwede niyong gawing career path. Okay? And then, of course, communication. Isa to sa laging nami-miss out. Again, communication is not necessarily you're good in English. It's basically connecting with the client, the right information, rely mo lang yung gusto mong maparating. And of course, adaptability. Ito ulit, isa ko ding i-highlight ang adaptability. Natatandaan ko sinasabi doon, hindi lang siya basta EQ and IQ. Dapat, nung pandemic, guys, di ba, nung nag-pandemic, mas naunang nag-strive yung madaling naka-adapt. So, pag may binabagong tinuturo sa inyo, like ng ginagawa ko sa inyo, huwag mo siyang ilagay lang sa Google Drive mo. I-apply mo na siya agad. I-adapt mo na agad yung tinuturo sa'yo. Pabilisan kasi dito, the more you fail fast, the better. Kasi you can improve. So, yan yung isang mga skills and tips ko mabibigay sa inyo. Ayan. So, sabi dito, I think napag-usapan namin to sa isang group namin kanina. I think nandito sa Joanne. Nag-apply daw siya ng 10 application a day. So, ngayon, kahit 10 lang siya, pero yung 10 niya, solid na yun. Kumbaga, naka-tailor fit. Rather than sending random application. So, basically, quality versus quantity yung ginawa niya. So, pwede nyo rin gawin yan sa mga application nyo. hindi lahat a-applyan, depende sa, pag may tina-target kayong apply, sige, dito lang ako focus. Pag may nakita kang job application, make sure, binasa mo yung job, tapos, nagawa ka ng loop, narap mo, personalize yung CV mo, ni-revise mo siya based dun sa need, parang magmukhang ikaw yung kailangan. Tapos, kung meron kang nakita sa job description na hindi mo alam, you can do AI again, and you can do sample work using AI. Aralin mo na lang ulit siya kung paano siya sasabihin sa client during interview. But basically, para ma-complete mo, kunyari, ang requirements is 10 job description, 5 lang yung kaya mo. Gawin mo at least 7. So, hanapin mo yung 3 kulang mo or wag naman perfect. Di ba? At least mga 8 to 10 na hit mo lahat yung job description. Kung di man, ito yung mga ito yung parang magiging, ang tawag nung, bell mo na, hey, out of 5, hindi ko pala kaya yung 5. Okay? Ala, magmaingin tayo ng 5 minutes. Sabi ko na, 30 minutes lang tayo, guys. But anyway, andyan na yung mga link na binigay nila, Jem. I can give you this link na rin para walang mang-away sa akin. So, as promised, pwede ko na ibigay yung link right now. Para kahit you can read na lang. Ay, kunin nyo itong link, guys, ha. Teka lang. Bago tayo maputo. Sa chat box. Nasa, ano na kayo, guys, sa community, para pwede kong i-share dun yung link. Kung maputol man tayo. Okay, copy nyo na siya. Ayan na din naman yon. Para you have guided competitive. Ayan, may nang nag-open na. Okay? So far, so good tayo. Sa mga hindi naka-open ng camera, sana makapag-take ng picture, pero I don't think. Ayan, bibigay ko naman yung link. Bibigay na yan sa, sana lahat kayo nasa community na. Aside from me, marami pong nagdi-discuss doon. Pwede kayo mag-join sa weekly call. Tama ba, Jem? Am I right? So, meaning hindi lang ako maririnig yung iba-iba. Mas okay yon kasi ako natututo din sa iba. It's a mix of me and other community builders. And if you want to build your own community, pwede. Pwede kayong gumawa ng community sa Mars. Yan. Wala pa doong community, nag-iisa pa lang kayo. Kasi hawak ko ng Batangas. So, sa Mars na tayo gumawa. Okay? Tuwa na naman si Chris sa akin. So, talaga, Chris. Miss mo ako na yan. Okay, what else? Jen, do I miss something? Any additional on the... Yan, nasa Discord. Sana nandun kayo. Kahit to be honest, naliligo ako sa Discord. Jem, nasa na ako, Jem? Andun lang ako.
Marian, I've already shared Marian's referral link. So if you wish to join Marian's community under Rocket, please use the first link. And then the second one is the Rocket Discord. So, ito po, isa po siyang communication platform that you can meet a lot of freelancers, VAs, fractional experts, and including of other community leaders or city leaders like Marian herself. We have got Jen Brandeboy, if you're familiar with him, Maria from Colombia, and we will be having one Yeezy from Nigeria. There will be more on come, so please via Discord. Aside from our LinkedIn, I have shared. If you can look at where do you call this? Let me just share these social media platforms that we have. Please, guys, you can follow these, and as well on over the Discord. We tend to put a post about our upcoming promotions, open positions, and about the community weekly calls. So currently we have got a challenge, I believe, running for the 10-day challenge. So we are inviting everyone to participate. So remember, if you have been to one of Nick's live call, that's gonna be happening every Tuesday, by the way, at 11 p.m. Manila or 10 a.m. EST. So everybody can jump into it and learn something from him. So Nick Petros is our founder here at Rocket. So as mentioned, we have got a current challenge happening. Chris will be discussing a little bit more on that later. This is the power of the community, building your connections within Rocket, not just only with Rocket, but also as mentioned by Marian, building your LinkedIn is really good. That's where we found each other, and that's the reason why we have her here. So not just only within LinkedIn, but within the Discord itself, you can meet up a lot of people. Just a little bit of announcement. We have an open position, so we will be posting it again over the Discord. Have shared the Discord link that you can join to. So we have like account manager role, uh, RN recruiter, or recruiter for RN travel nurses. What else? Customer support role, and what's the other one? Sales and recruitment partnership. So those are the open positions. Plus, Marian has got the other positions that what she mentioned earlier. Marian, you can feel free to announce it over the Discord. She has got her own public channel. It's called Yan Yan Batangas. So Marian can share there her files, what she have shared with us earlier, and as well her open position. So I'll bring the stage back to Chris for the other announcements.
Yeah, just the 2 weeks challenge for Rocket. We're usually posting the daily task in our channel, so LinkedIn, other socials, so LinkedIn, IG, Facebook, X, any other platform that we have, and we also post it in Discord channel. So the mechanics is you just need to group or look for a member. So you should be like 5 in a group to do the challenge daily. And we will be selecting 10 groups in total. 7 will receive a certificate that you can like use on, if like what Marian mentioned earlier, you can like put it on your LinkedIn account if you already have a LinkedIn account, or in your Freely account once already registered. And then the top 3 will receive like 4 modules of a VA kit. It is like a kit wherein you can upskill whatever you have right now. I mean, like the current skill that you have right now, you can like upskill more by learning on what we have on the VA kit. So just follow our socials or check the announcement that we post daily for the challenge, and just do the task because it's a point system. We have like a specific point system on how we can choose the 10 groups that will win this challenge. So that's on my end, Jem. You're on mute.
Yeah, sorry about that. Hope to see you guys on Discord to see more of our posts, and as well as on our socials. So thank you very much for joining this. As Marian has mentioned, we already put a note what will be upcoming for February, March, and April for her topics inclusion of this January. So hopefully to see you by next week. We will be having Marian again on Wednesday at same time, 8 p.m. And then by tomorrow, guys, we will be having 3 calls. So feel free to join in. We will be having Brenny Boy at 8 p.m. Manila time. A welcome call for City Leader Joven at 8:30 a.m. EST or 9:30 p.m. Manila. And one from Maria Mejia at 12:30 noon EST, and that will be 1:30 a.m. Manila time from Colombia. So you will learn a lot from these. So if Marian has been teaching us about LinkedIn and committee, and her expertise lies under financial and accounting, Renovo is on general VA. We have got Jen Soriano from yesterday. Her expertise is more of HR and general admin, and then same thing with Joven, Maria on technology, and One Easy will be upcoming soon by the following week. So we will be having more committee calls. So this is the power of the committee. You will be upskilling yourself, not just only building the committee, but learning us together. So we will be also posting about what is the next step for Rocket. So hopefully that you will be with us still by then. So thank you very much for attending this call, Marian.
Again, thank you so much. This is just the beginning of 2026. Imagine, January pa lang full pack na tayo ng mga webinars coming from Freely. And this is also the continued collaboration with Accounting Peoples and Freely. I would like, if we could add more people on Freely, that would be great. Kasi again, it's a combination of accounting, HR, malay nyo pang HR pala kayo pang marketing. Hindi nyo alam until such time you heard from those people. That's ako kasi, sawang-sawa na kayo sa accounting. Iba naman, ako, I'm excited for those, especially sa HR. Sana maka-attend ako ng each and other operations. Yan yung mga commitment ng Chris and tsaka si Nick and with the team of Agen, Chris, yung mga nakikilala ko na dito. Thank you so much. Again, see you next week.
Thank you very much, guys. Hope to see you in Rocket.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Opo.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.